Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 5 plus so on. So we have to find the value of this sum of series. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering this as equals to x. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 5 plus so on. Now I'm going to multiply throughout the equation by 1 by 2. So it becomes x times 1 by 2 is x by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 power 2 plus 1 by 2 power 3 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 5 plus 1 by 2 power 6 and so on. Now I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation first. So x minus x by 2 is equals to, we can cancel out all these terms till end. So what is left? 1 by 2 only. So if we take the LCM, so 2x minus x is equals to 1 by 2. So x by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So x is equals to 2 by 2, which is 1. So the value of x is 1. The sum of the series is 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay